Mistakes. Mistakes are inevitable. Dear teenager, my name is Bukola Ajediran. I am a teenagers coach and the coordinator of Teens Royalty Academy.
Okay.
Like I said earlier on, yes, life is full of ups and downs and mistakes are bound to happen. Even though we advise you to strive to become better people, there's no way you won't make a bad decision.
Oh my God.
But when it happens, please know that you have to move on positively. You don't sit down and because of that, go back to your old ways. Mistakes, when they come, are meant to make you better people. They are also meant to build expand your capacity. They are also meant for you to learn from there so that you can become better people. Mistakes are inevitable, but then when you make mistakes, don't ever give up. Thank you.